In this section, I'm going to show you how to use the App Store search suggestions to find new keywords for your app. So technically, you have multiple ways to search for applications. You can search for them in iTunes on your computer, or you can search on the device itself. So here I'm going to show you both of them. What's important here for this exercise is to use the device only and not your computer. The reason being is that when you go in iTunes on your computer, if I type yoga, it's actually searching not only for applications. Even if I selected App Store ahead of time, it's searching for all categories, which means movies, music, apps, everything. But if I go to if I go to my device and I'm searching for yoga here, it's gonna give me suggestions just for the app itself. So you see, if I type this and if I type that, we have different results. So it's important to use the device and not iTunes to do this exercise. I'm going to close that one. So first I'm going to be starting the App Store, going to the search tab, and now one of my keyword is yoga, the main one. So I'm going to type yoga here. As you can see, the App Store app is suggesting other keywords. Like I have yoga, yoga free, yoga studio, yoga for beginners. So all those words, I really pay attention to them, because here yoga poses, yoga workout. Reason why they're important is that Apple is showing us the words related to yoga that are the most searched. And what's happening is when people are entering some of the terms, instead of continuing typing what they had in mind, they're going to look at this list and maybe select from that list. So right now I can already add, so free, if my app is free, yoga studio, I don't know what it is, so we'll look it up. Yoga for beginners, weight loss, pauses. So I had workouts and exercises. I didn't have pauses, so that's one good to add. And as you can see, pauses is even higher ranked in the search right now than yoga workout. So I want to really keep that one. And I have like other ones, yoga glow and yoga works. So maybe there are other application names that are related here. So now to continue the search, I'm going to enter some of the top terms. Yoga free is very high. So I'm going to type space free. And here I have more suggestions. So here I can see yoga free video classes, core yoga free. So these are maybe other application name. So here, each time I'm typing something, my list of keywords is growing. So now I'm done with yoga free. I'm going to go back to the top yoga term, and I have yoga studio. Let's see what it is. If I select yoga studio, so see, as you can see, this is an application. That's the name of an application, and from what I see, it's a popular one, because despite the fact that it's $4, it got 7,000 reviews. So it's probably very popular in the yoga space. So what it tells me is that, and if it's suggested at the top by Apple, is that there are probably a lot of people who know about this application from outside and are searching for this app. So studio is, even though it's not a term related to yoga necessarily, it should be a keyword I should consider, because as people are searching for yoga studio, it will be a good thing to be ranked in this list. And as you can see from the search, there are 236 results. So it's not like thousands and thousands like we can have just for yoga term alone. Another thing to notice here too are related keywords. as you can see on the top of the screen, I have related keywords like yoga for beginners, yoga workout, and I can move them to the left, and I have more hatha yoga, stretch. So this one, stretch, was one of the keyword that I listed in my brainstorming session. Flexibility also, yoga trainer light. So all of those are keywords and keyword phrases that the App Store is showing to the users in order to maybe do a more granular search. And what happens is those are very good for ASO because some people will also touch those keywords instead of typing them, and so they should be really considered for ASO and added to our list.